Hello, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. I am so excited because today we are going to finish our story, Give Bees a Chance. Remember, this week we've been working on the author's purpose and really focusing on persuade. And remember, when we try to persuade someone, that means we're trying to make them do something. So our author is trying to persuade us to like bees or to give them a chance. So we're going to continue where we left off yesterday, and today we're going to finish our book. So I really want you focusing on how the author is trying to persuade you to like bees. Here we go. And bees are disappearing in large numbers. Bees actually need our help. Okay, I take it back. I don't want bees gone. I even sort of want to help them, as long as they don't sting me. Planting bee-friendly flowers is a great way to help bee population. Won't that just attract more bees? Hopefully, yes. But just approach a bee like you would a dog you don't know. Don't get too close and don't try to touch it. Unless you're a flower, it should lose interest and fly away. And if more people like you give bees a chance, they might just, well, have a chance to make the world a sweeter place. So look, I like on this page, the author's comparing approaching a bee the same way if you were to see a dog you don't know. It's a good idea not to get too close and to don't try and touch it. The author even told us, unless you're a flower, it should lose interest and fly away. Okay, let's keep reading. Now, have I told you how much I love bears? The end. Okay, my friends, I know we didn't have a lot to our story today, but I do think one of the big takeaways was, how do we approach a bee? What's something we can do if we were to see it? Also, why are bees important? So, in your discussion for today, I want you to either tell me how the author tried to persuade you to like bees, or tell me something that you know that makes bees important. I can't wait to hear your answers, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!